This narration is for educational purposes only. It is not buy or sell recommendations.
Good afternoon, fellow ES traders. It's the narration of the ESZ4 for 1127. Start with a candlestick chart. Okay. So we have yesterday's candle. This is today's. Let's see. All right, so we have our naked epoch, which is at 60.26. Microcomposite is 60.20. So those two areas will be observed. And let's see, we are opening in lower inside of range. So 98% chance that the initial balance high or low will be taken out or touched. 93% chance of the overnight high or low. So that would be the high. So we're not close to the low. So there could be a test on that, then bounce. Not necessarily bearish. We're kind of open inside of range, so we're not breaking out and gapping up with responsive selling or buying. So just in a balanced area. Previous value area higher low at 91% chance, which would be the 6/16s. So looks like roads are pointing to down at the open. So given that information that we have more targets with higher percents of being touched at a lower price, that would be the initial idea of entry, would be a short. So at open, looking for an entry for short. So we have the open 9:30. Immediately drop. Let's mark our opening swing here. And hold on, let's clear these lines from earlier. Okay. And our opening swing low. So these are the areas we're looking at for stops. Buyers in control at the open, met sellers, rejected at this price. Sellers brought the price down. We bounce off this level where sellers met buyers. Aggressive buyers step in. Okay, so bounce off that area. Sellers met buyers. Buyers took over. Move the price up. So I still have looking for an entry to go short, which would be here. Not trade recommendation. So that would have been stopped out. Break above the opening swing high. And we still haven't, really it wouldn't be considered mean reversion yet. See if we stay above. If we break below, then we would be in mean reversion. Okay, we're back above the VPOC. So my trade would be break above the opening swing high, retest entry here. Oh, that's not the VWAP. Still vetted. Not trade recommendation. Could scale 3 points. The runner would be taken out. So you can see we're half hour in, very much in a balanced state, chopping around between the opening swing low and high. And this is a day before Thanksgiving, so not going to be a lot of volatility, which is expected. Okay, so we break below that opening swing low, retest, reject. So potential entry, not trade recommendation. Stop above VPOC. Let's see what happens. Could add. And we get to scale. Are we holding for a runner? It was good. That trade worked out quite well. Good. 10. So we got scale, runner. It was a good trade. Let's track this high volume node here. And this outer edge here. Give us the new range. Now we left that distribution up here. Now we've started this distribution and this one. So we're looking for a break in range. Maybe a VPOC migration. And get a break quick if you're quick enough. There's other opportunities for that. That wouldn't be an entry. Now this, I actually do remember looking at this. Naked VPOC, that would be an area of support to observe to see what happens at this area, especially all these sell icebergs. There's a lot of people going short and they start getting underwater, looking for those buy stops to start right here. See, so potential long down here off that support. Looking to scale back up to here. VPOC migration. That would be the exit there. So even if we're observing price fall down, keeping an eye on this naked VPOC, break below but quickly come back up. So that's signaling that buyers are stepping in. So potential entry here, not trade recommendation. Stop down below there. And been another decent trade. But that's the biggest thing. You want to be looking for these areas of support. Microcomposite VPOG, negative VPOG, composite high volume node. Also having VPOG migration, we break above, stay above, find support off of it. And we see it start to pick back up too. And that's it. All right. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.